planong matulog, be. Flight ka na mamaya. Ay, my God. I'm gonna miss Kuwait. Really. For the past 3 years, I've been living here, no? What to do? Everything is not permanent. So that one is the store, our store. I've been working there for 2 years. No, more than that. More than 2 years. I think it's already 5:30 in the morning. Ayan, binablog ko na siya. Ito tayong bakalan. By the way, why cannot stay longer here in Kuwait now? Cause my visa was already expired. I only have the extension visa for 3 months. Today is the expiration of my extension visa, and I will be illegal if I extend with my own. Nakakalungkot. Sobra. Here in Bacala. We're going to buy cigarette. Lamig, putang ina, ng init na ako. Then we're going to sleep. Skip elevator. Iyak. Bye. May miss ko kayo. Kita tayo sa Pilipinas, ha? Oo. Bye bye.
Bye.
Mudit, 9 p.m. All the mudir here, no? Wala palang tao. Bye. Ingat kayo lagi, ha? God bless. Sama ako simbang gabi, ha? Bye. Bye, Abby. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ah, shit! Ang sarap ng pabango niya. Ang yummy.
Dito tayo sa Abra. Dito na ako. Kaya
Ingat sir, mag-atid sa iyo.
si Sushil.
Oh, shit.
Day off siya, eh.
Sige. Ingat ka.
Ingat din. Bye. Ingat.
Plastic ka, plastic.
Sige, paalagay. Magkano? Dinar?
Name niyo, sir. May application kayo?
Wala. Jeremy. Thank you so much. Wait lang. I forgot the carrot cake. I have carrot cake. I ordered carrot cake. We will eat. Ano ba dito? Thank you. Salamat din. I'm so emotional. Oh my God. So this would be the hardest part. Leaving your someone you loved. I am here now in airport. I mean, in Oman. I was already in Oman. I'm going toilet. So awesome. I have a lot of things. And I'm alone here. Oh. No one is here. Baggage or plane, visa collection issues, transfers. I'm going to transfer, so we'll go there. Don't speak about that. Yes, may kami. Hindi ako nakakita ng kami sa totoong buhay. I won't get this. Gotcha. There's a smoking area here. Drink here. There's a drinking fountain. I found it here. Near in smoking area. The problem now, I don't know how to use the money here. I have, what do you call this one? What kind of money is this? Real? Real. Oman Real.